All right, it's your boy 562 in the building. Just dropping y'all this little quick, brief review while my truck is regenerating. All right. First of all, I'm watching Futurama. I ain't seen this in a while. I just ate at this little diner. It has some really great food. I had some baked oatmeal for breakfast with a cup of coffee and a side of milk. And it had fruits in it, so it was really healthy. But this is the deal right now. It's snowing, right? Now it is snowing ice. It's not hail. It's a difference between hail and ice. Now it's snowing ice. And it hurt on the real. These little pellets right now, they are hurting. Safe drivers don't drive in the snow. So this guy decides he wants to pull out and roll out in an ice storm. You see that? Because he's a genius. He's rolling out in an ice storm. That's not a good move to make. As you can see, the snow is piling up. The ice is piling up. Whatever you want to call it right now. And I just want to say to all the drivers out there, be safe. Conditions are not good right now. The storm Viola is basically just sitting on top of us. That's which is causing all of this snow and ice. Freezing rain is what it's called. So, just gave y'all a little quick update. These guys over here are smart. These guys are smart. This guy's smart. He like, I'm pulling in. That guy is on the road. He's crazy. Living life on the edge. And if you can see right there, it's a street. You don't see no vehicles moving. And then on the other side, it's the highway. Well, where that truck is at, it's another truck stop. With this rain and this snow and this freezing ice, it makes horrible driving conditions. They said we're going to get about up to 8 inches of snow. So you can just imagine what the highway going to be looking like. So, they just cleared this lot about 5 minutes ago. And it's already filled back up. If you can hear it, that is the ice hitting the windshield. This is week 2 without no cigarettes. So, what I've been doing is vaping. Once I quit vaping, I'm done completely. But anyways, just give y'all a little quick editorial about what's going on, how the road is. That's why people get their stuff on time, because UPS is going to deliver. But anyways, as it's coming down harder, I need this fan to hurry up and cut off so y'all can hear the ice rain. It's crazy out here in these streets. It's crazy out here in these streets. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see it on this side. Yeah, y'all see that? That's ice. And it's starting to come down. Like, it's coming down. I don't know if y'all can hear it over the truck, but Hopefully it'll cut out soon. As my windshield piles up with ice and snow, it's really coming down now. I don't see if y'all can see how fast it's coming down, but it's coming down fast and hard. Man, that's crazy. Look at the back of his tractor. Look at that truck over there. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. Covered with snow and ice. And you know, if the tankers ain't moving, I'm definitely not moving. How long is this truck going? I thought it would have been done by now. Alright, well, I'll be back with another round so y'all can hear the ice hit how hard and fast the ice is coming down. It's your boy and I'm out.